Hi everyone, I'm Wendy and this is my skincare routine for managing my eczema. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to pin back my hair. Get that out of the way. Get these rings off. So first, I'm going to take my makeup off with this Bare Minerals cleansing oil. I love a cleansing oil because I feel like if I use anything else, it's too stripping for my dry skin and my eczema. I'm going to just pump some out. It's maybe about 3. So I always start with dry hands and dry face. It's really important. Then just get right in there. Get the eyeliner off. It feels so smooth and silky on the skin. I like to take my lashes off with the oil, just so I don't pull out any natural eyelashes with it. I bet I look really cute right now. Okay, so once I've broken down everything, I'm going to go in with a bit of water, just to emulsify it a bit. I'll wash that off now. But because my skin is so sensitive and dry, I don't like to use cleansers that are too stripping on the skin, and that makes me feel really tight. So this is perfect. And it gets everything off. So that's the first cleanse done, and I always do a double cleanse when I'm wearing like a really glam look. And I love the Tatcha rice polish. I use the calming one because my skin is so sensitive. So I tip out maybe around about like a 10-cent. And just get a bit of water just to like make it into a paste. Just go in just to get everything off. Amazing. Just gonna wash that off now. Feels so fresh now. So washing all that off. And now my skin's all clean without feeling too tight. So fresh and so clean. So I've had eczema ever since I was really young, like a baby, and it was generally always behind my elbows and behind the back of my knees too. In high school I never really had it, but then all of a sudden when I got a bit older, when I was in uni, that's when it started to get really kind of bad. So I had it around my eyes, especially around my upper lip area, but yeah, especially my hands. My hands were probably the worst, the most affected area. So they were always pretty much cracked, bleeding, weeping as well. It was so painful. Because I've been following a proper skincare routine, I've been able to manage it pretty well. It's like crazy to see how far my skin has come. Like when I was at my worst, it was like all I would wish for was just to have normal skin. And now like I've got it. It's pretty good feeling. So now my skin's all cleansed. I'm gonna start with the first step of my hydration. I'm going to use the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Eye Balm. So I love this because it's in a stick format. You just twist it up. It's so soothing. Put it on. Just tap it in. Feels so soothing on the skin. Let that sink in for a bit, and then we're gonna go with my favorite face cream. It's the Tatcha Indigo cream, and you can see how much I love this cream. I've repurchased this so many times, and I love how in the lid it gives you like a little spatula that you can just pop out. Put it on the back of my hand. You don't need a lot with this. I found this cream has helped with my eczema so much. It's like a forever staple in my skincare routine. I like to bring it down the neck a little bit because I do get eczema on my neck too. Yes, my skincare routine isn't that complicated, I guess. It doesn't have that many steps, but because my eczema on my hands is so bad, I always have to moisturize my hands and my arms. So this is the Kate Somerville Dry Skin Saver, and I love this so much. I always have it in my handbag because you can use it on your face, body, and your lips as well. So if I'm feeling a bit dry in the day, I'll just pop it on. Yeah, it's my favorite. Yeah, if I'm feeling extra dry on some days, I would finish off with the Josie Moran Argan Oil. So I'll just grab a couple of drops. I'm gonna seal everything in. Okay, so that's it. That's my skincare routine. This is what has really helped my skin to get into the best condition that it's been in. For myself, I find that my eczema as well is really dependent on how I'm feeling internally. So if I'm feeling really, I guess, irritated internally, I'll make myself a custom like blend of tea. So I would get equal parts of chamomile, nettle, and calendula, and I would just maybe about a teaspoon of each. Just steep that in some hot water and drink that. It's really soothing and anti-inflammatory too. And as well, if you are feeling like really dry and irritated on your body, then I would sometimes mix it in with some Epsom salts, and I would take a bath with it, and it's so soothing on the skin. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.